Welcome to our output devices section. So right here, this was the fab LCD that we intended to use. With the LCD here. So we realized that we had like two problems. One, we realized that we don't have the voltage regulator to be used to control the voltage here from 5 volts to 3.3 volts. And then also it could not, because the LCD we had here uses I2C, we could not be able to work with it properly. So we resorted to using another board which we had used earlier. This is the Hello World board. So we have connected it here to the USB programmer that we have been using throughout this. And then here we have connected it to a motor. Yeah, so there is our motor rotating, turning over there. So the motor is connected using a breadboard. The breadboard here just helps us to connect the other components we needed, like a transistor that is there, the PNP transistor, a resistor, if you see it very closely, a resistor, the transistor, and then also a diode which is placed across the motor. So as you can see, the motor is rotating very well, and the board also is also blinking there. So it works very well. I'll take you through the code. So what happens here is we added support for the Attiny44. So if you go to our Arduino board, amongst the board that we are using, we have added the Attiny support, and then the processor we are using the Attiny44, and then it is running at a clock speed of 20 megahertz. That's the external oscillator that we used there, the external resonator. And then we are using the programmer there, the USB Tiny, and then we have just put our motor pin to pin 7, and then we are doing a random analog write to it using analog 7. So it has done compiling, or it has done uploading, but just to upload we go to sketch and then upload using programmer, and then it takes a short time, if you see the progress there, and then it uploads directly to the board. So that's how we've done it, and the board is working fine. Everything is working well. If you see, the motor is turning, and if you remove it there, so everything works well. Thank you. Yeah, see it over there. Thank you.